This tutorial shows you how to stop unknown people from sliding into your inbox on your Android device. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Settings at the top of the menu to open your Messenger settings. At this point, tap on Privacy to open your privacy settings. In the next step, under the Who Can Reach You section, tap on Message Delivery to open your message request settings. Following this, you'll see different categories of people who can send you message requests, including people on Facebook, contacts on Messenger, and others. Once done, go through each option one by one and set them all to Don't Receive Requests. From here, tap on the first category and select Don't Receive Requests to block message requests from that group. At this stage, go back and repeat the same step for every remaining category until all of them are set to Don't Receive Requests. Finally, once every option is set, strangers and unknown contacts will no longer be able to send you message requests on Messenger. And that's it. If this Messenger guide helped you take control of who can reach you, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you next one.